Hello YouTube, it is me, I am back, hello. I am bringing you guys on a journey. We're going from the gym to, you guessed it, Costco. Bike's warmed up, gloves are on. Let's get the fuck out of here. So we're gonna have to take the long way back because, well, actually there's no reason. It's probably about the same distance. It's either the highway or the back roads. I think it's about the same because once I get off the highway I have to go a little bit away to go to Costco. I think the back roads are a little bit quicker actually. So never mind. What am I saying? It's also like 40 degrees out, but I honestly don't really mind because I just got out of the gym, so I'm really fucking hot right now. Now this is a nice exit. A little bit of corner in here, warm the tires up. Getting down and dirty. Nice little exit there. Sorry, I'm blinding you. This truck is gonna cuck me. No! This is so boring. Alright, time to open up. I just realized I bring you guys shopping, like food shopping, way too often. I wish Costco would see how many videos I make about going in there. Maybe then I get a sponsorship. Whee! I don't feel like sitting behind cars today. There's gonna be a gap right here and I'm gonna slide right in. Woo! Sorry, Mustang. Why am I hitting every red light? One thing I don't understand, you'll see this everywhere, look at that gap. People around this city leave such big gaps when they're stopped. I'm not really sure why. The one reason I've heard, the only reason that seems kind of understandable to me is in the city, I guess it's good to leave a gap so that if somebody gets rear-ended behind you, they don't run into you, because then apparently if somebody behind you rear-ends you, even though the person that rear-ended you got rear-ended, apparently it's your fault. So I guess that's why people leave gaps. That's the only reasonable excuse. Other than that, it's really just annoying. Now it's always a toss-up here whether I make a left at the light or go straight, because depending on traffic, one could be significantly quicker than the other. But you don't know until you do it, because you don't know how the traffic is after it. So I'm gonna go ahead and, I don't know, I might go left, because there is a bit of traffic on the highway. But then I gotta wait for that light. I don't know. Maybe I'll just go straight. Please stay green, please stay green. Fuck! I regret not taking the highway. There we go. Only 37 degrees. I could do better than that. Maybe not right here though. Nope, 37. I'm thinking of doing another review of this bike after having it for about, how many months now? I think 8 months? Because I don't think I can put into words how awesome this thing is. I think a full review is probably mandatory. Because the way this thing handles and the way it grips the road, it's just like nothing I ever felt before. And how many electronics are on this thing to help you? Especially on a leader bike. This thing is just so much fun. Panigale or the H2, obviously, but when it comes to something this comfortable and how this thing rides, like the speed this thing has is ridiculous. Look, when you're riding a Panigale, it's like, you know, you're really uncomfortable. You're hunched over a little bit. It's hot. It's a very hot bike. Like, this thing is just perfect. I mean, Ducatis are great. I want one. But in terms of comfort and everyday riding, I ride this thing every day. Like, I've had this for 8 months, riding it literally every day. And I have absolutely no complaints. Like, my wrists don't hurt. Not really, at least. You know, I'm gripping the tank with my legs. I have tank pads on now. Like, it's so comfortable. And suspension's good. You can adjust it. There's 14 different settings. Like, it's phenomenal. Now, I know it's a track bike. Of course, that's what all the settings are for, but like, it's certainly doable on the road. I mean, it's useful. I have my Race Pro 2 setting, suspension, and the softest, and it's great. Like, I don't have any complaints. Effortless. Like, you're at 60 miles an hour, you floor it, you blink, you're at 100. It's absolutely absurd. And I can't wait to go back to the mountains. It's getting pretty cold this time of the year, but I probably can get lucky with a warm day. So I'm looking for the next day where it's in like the mid 60s or maybe low 70s to go back up there and do that again, because that was phenomenal. If you haven't watched the video yet, I recommend it. I'll put the link in the description, or however people put the tab on the top right of the screen or whatever. I don't know how to do that, but I'll figure it out. Yeah, go ahead and watch that, because that was a very, very fun trip. I think you'll enjoy that if you like similar to canyon runs or like mountain climbing, or not mountain climbing, but hill climbs. Yeah, it was awesome. That was my first time doing that, and I have never had that much fun in my life. I'm surprised my camera hasn't died yet with how cold it is outside. I also kind of want to find out how to live stream, if you could do that on a Bluetooth camera or like a GoPro or something. If anybody knows how to live stream on either like a Insta360 or a new GoPro or something, I'll probably invest in one of those, because I think that'd be kind of cool. To have like maybe my phone mounted somewhere, like reading comments in the live stream or something. I don't know. It'd be kind of... Whoa! Hey! Holy fuck me! Gotta pay attention, you know. But I don't know. I think it'd be kind of fun to try and do that. Yeah, I don't know what that guy was thinking, but I'm glad I saw it coming before it happened. All I saw was like the lights turned, and I was like, alright, someone's coming. No one got hurt, so I'm not going to chase the guy down, but that guy's probably not the brightest bulb in the bunch. But to be fair, I guess he didn't see me, but still, he should have probably waited, just to make sure, because if your view is blocked by a car, you shouldn't be pulling out if you don't know for sure that nothing's there. But it is what it is. No one got hurt. It's in the past. I got good brakes. I feel like I'm so close to getting to Kotsko, but it feels so far away. This road is so bumpy. God damn. Oh, I didn't tighten my helmet. Silly me. There we go. Perfect. Nice and tight. I also detailed my bike 2 days ago on Thanksgiving, and oh, it looks so good. You guys can't tell right now because it's dark, but I did the chain and everything, man. I felt like a man, getting dirty with cleaning the chain. One thing I don't think I'll ever understand is why people just don't pass in the left lane. I don't get it. And I know some people who ride might like lane split and that kind of thing. I don't mind people doing that. Like, if you do it, just make sure you're safe doing it. But me personally, I don't think I'm comfortable doing that. I only lane split at low speeds, or if traffic is stopped. Like, if it's like traffic on the like the road doing, you know, 10 under or something, I might just lane split quick just to get past the slow car, and then I'll just, you know, get back. But I also don't lane split anything over like 5 or 10 miles an hour faster than the cars are going. Like, because one thing, anything could happen. Like if a car gets over or anything, you're pretty fucked. But like I said, if you do it, you know, just do it safe. I don't want to condone it or condemn it. But there's a time and place for it, and you know, if you do it, just be careful. All right, we're finally actually almost there. Believe it or not. Like, this is a situation where it's kind of, I'm on the fence about lane splitting because I want to be in front at the light, but usually I don't like doing that. So what I do is I just go in this lane, right? And then, he didn't stop. Okay, well, all right. Oh, look at this M4. Holy shit. That's nice as fuck. That is nice. It's a wide body kit on a baby. I gotta pull up next to this guy. That guy is fucking sick. That's an F80 M4 on a wide body kit with a big ass spoiler. That guy has to track that. There's no way he doesn't with that kind of arrow. Yeah, he's got to track that. That thing's fucking sick. If you're watching this video, somehow, some way, if you find this video, bro, hit me up. That thing's fucking dope. Or maybe I'll see you at a car meet or something. Alrighty, we've arrived at the probably... Oh, there's a fucking Lamborghini too, bro. What is going on? There it is. Look at that shit. Anyway, I've arrived at probably the most fucking annoying place to shop on Sundays. If you shop at Costco on a Sunday, you know exactly what I mean. And if you're the problem... Alright, I've arrived. I will catch you guys in the next video. If you enjoyed, leave a comment. I am looking forward to uploading more. I'm going to try to do as much as I can, I promise. So, catch you in the next one, and ride safe. Killing Spree.